factory of 372. So 372, it can be written as 2 times 186. So 2 times 186 means 372. Now 186, it can be written as 2 times 93. 2 times 93 means 186. Now 93, it can be written as 3 times 31. 3 times 31 means 93. So now we select a prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 2, 3 and 31. So we can write 372 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 2 times this 3 times this 31. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.